dishes. To wash the dishes, we're gonna need a sponge, dish soap, and dish rock. Step 1. Turn on the water and adjust water temperature to warm. Step 2. Pre-wash the dirty dishes. Scrape the scrap of the leftover food on the plates. Step 3. Pump or pour dish soap on the sponge. Step 4. Scrub the dishes. Scrub the top. Scrub the bottom. Scrub inside. And scrub outside. And repeat until all the dishes are scrubbed and clean. Step 5. Rinse off the soap. Make sure there's no more soap. Rinse the top and bottom. And then step 6. Air dry into the dish rock. Repeat steps 5 and 6 until all the dishes are done. Step 7. Turn off the faucet. And step 8. Don't forget to wipe and clean the kitchen counter and sink. You did a good job! We did it! Keep practicing and keep learning, mighty kids. And don't forget to give us a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.